Hello everyone. Yesterday we were talking about credit rating agencies. So, credit rating agencies were a part of our syllabus earlier, but now it has been removed. But nevertheless, you should be knowing what they are. So, I would be introducing two concepts. One is CRISIL and the other one is CIBIL. Okay, so CIBIL and CRISIL are two credit rating agencies. So, what does CRISIL do? CRISIL is an agency which tries to rate the companies. So, CRISIL is a rating agency which will rate different companies, different banks, different financial organizations like intermediaries, etc. So, they have many rating methods, rating policies, etc. So, this in this video, I'll be explaining how it is being done. So I'll be taking the first one, that is corporate sector. Okay, so CRISIL will be rating different public listed companies or different companies, corporates, etc. So let us take the case of Reliance. Now we'll see what is the score of or CRISIL rate of Reliance company. So Reliance have many establishments, many companies. Some are private, some are public listed companies. So private companies are those companies which will not be seen in the share market. Okay, because the Reliance team, the Reliance owners will manage themselves with the help of managers. The public shares are not given, or the IPO is not invited for these companies. For example, you can see Reliance Jio Infocom Limited here, but you cannot see Reliance Jio in share market because Reliance Jio is kept up like a private company, not as a public listed company. So let us take the case of Reliance Industries. Okay. So Reliance Industries is also a public listed company. You can see Reliance Industries in share market. So here we can see the ratings. So what do we see here? CRISIL has rated triple A. That is, for long term, this is a good method of investment. Reliance Industries is a good place to invest for long term. Outlook has also mentioned that it is stable. For short term, again, CRISIL has given A1 plus. So it's very good for short term also. And they have also given various instrument which is suitable for short term investment. So these we can see 34,500 crores of commercial paper. So 34,500 crore worth commercial paper has been given out by Reliance Industries. And we know that by the term short term, we technically mean the money market, right? In money market, we have different things such as call money, commercial paper, bills of exchange, certificate of deposits, etc. So here they have issued 34,500 crores of commercial paper which people can buy. Okay, it's a part of short term investment which comes under money market. And for long term, again we can see most of them are convertible debentures. Okay, and there is also a loan facility. Different methods are given here, and all these are for 10 years or more. That is why under long term the debentures are put into or given, because all the long term investments uh, investment instruments include debentures, loan facilities, etc. Okay, so that is why since the share market equities are not considered long term instrument, it is not given here, but it has given the different types of bonds, debentures uh, which are issued by the Reliance company. Okay, so this is the credit rating of Reliance Industries. We can also see the Reliance in credit rating of different companies. Let us take a case of another company which is Bajaj. So we will see Bajaj Auto Limited. Again, they will give you a detailed picture of rating. in terms of CRISIL. So CRISIL has given a AAA for long-term investment and A1 plus for short-term investment. Okay. Now, CRISIL will also rate the banking institutions. So let us see SBI. So they have given different ratings for different kind of uh, bank product also. Now we will take only the case of State Bank of India. So for State Bank of India, which is a financial institution, uh, again the score is stable. For long term and short term, it is good. It has given AA plus for long term and AAA for short term. Sorry, both are for long term only. Yeah, for fixed deposit, it is AAA status. For short term, it is A1 plus status. Okay. Similarly, uh, it also gives ratings for different kinds of societies, services, equities, and this is mutual fund. Okay, all the mutual fund, all the ventures started by SBI are given here. So there is rating available for all these facilities, which is done by CRISIL. Okay, this is considered as rank 2. After 3 years, it will give you 5.78 percentage of return. So this is what CRISIL does. Similarly, another credit rating agency is CIBIL. Now, CIBIL is a place where your individual's rating can be done. So, how good are you as an investor? How good are you as a person who is keeping the financial record or financial dealings? That will be given under CIBIL. So, anybody who has a bank account can get your CIBIL score. So all of you might be having a bank account, you can get your CIBIL score here. But the issue is, to get your CIBIL score, you will have to pay a amount. Okay, so you cannot simply get your CIBIL score for free. You have to give a small amount, pay a small premium amount. So that is why I'm not showing you here. But anyway, you should be knowing that as an individual, as a banking person, as an investor, what is your CIBIL score is very important, because when you grow up and when you apply for personal loan or educational loan or housing loan or any kind of credit card, every bank will check your CIBIL score. Okay, every bank will check your CIBIL score in order to know how much is your insurance, how much is your liabilities, how much is your credit capacity. Okay, so these things can be uh, known or understood with the help of CIBIL score. So having a very good CIBIL score is important if you want to get loan from any financial institutions. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If you have any doubts,